Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone as restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection is work properly, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on battery and power saving. Click on power saving. So make sure turn off power saving button. After turn off power saving, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. And click on reset and enter your phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Sorry, click on this my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.